usually all avoid all the back streets. I usually all avoid all the bad things. I can't just come around because you happy. Cause I didn't do you good when you had me. I hope you still got time.
Real, raw, unfiltered.
What to do, familiar? What to do, familiar? It's your boy Taxi PNG, and we are back at it again with yet another man. Today, you guys already see the vibes. You guys see the location. You guys see what I really got going on, man. It's hot out here. It's 117 degrees. It is insane. But I came out here to get the shot, right? It was a 2.3 mile walk. All right, we got a trolley, we got a whole bunch of some more stuff, and it's getting a little bit of shade, so let me hurry up and stop talking. Today we're gonna be using a Sony a7R5 as well as the Sigma 24-270 f2.8. Then I also have an ND filter on here as well that I'll be using today. I'm shooting natural light. You guys know it's the summertime. I love shooting with natural light when it comes to, trying to show you guys how to do anything for the shot for real, right? Because a lot of the time we try to limit ourselves with our gear. As long as you have a camera, you don't need to flash, anything like that. If you're able to understand how to control the light, use the light, or morph it for what you have, you can create some amazing imagery. All right, who do we have today?
Allayia.
Yeah, we brought her back, man. You guys liked the tractor session that we did. It was a cool little vibe of that nature. We gave Texas Gielli, so I decided to come back to Texas and make it happen again. So today, we're gonna create some cool imagery. I'm trying to talk to you guys through my process at certain points, but you guys know when I get surgical and I get locked in. All right, I forget about a lot of technicals. I forget to tell you guys about the settings and stuff like that, but I'll put it on the screen. I'll make sure it gets up there. All right, let's do it. Without further ado, let's get into it. Yeah. All right, first thing I'm thinking is like literally, bro, like, I was like, we gonna get up in it, like.
Can I take my shoes off?
You wanna touch this with your feet? Do you mind your shoes getting wet too? Or do you mind your shoes getting, it might add to the aesthetic if you have your shoes on. Your shoes are strapped, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so yeah, just leave it like that.
Okay.
Maybe, and it's like, maybe it's like here, something like that. Like you're gonna be in the same pose, right? Like where I'm at right now, you're facing me. All right, we're out here in, I don't even know what to call this, the Marsh. Like this is crazy. All right, you guys, always use your viewfinder first. Number one thing, always, always, always. If you don't use your viewfinder, you don't really know if the shot is actually telling the truth or telling a lie, right? So I'm gonna go to 800. I'm gonna go to 100 on my ISO. I'm gonna go to 800 actually. 800 on my ISO. I'm gonna go to 250 on my shutter. I'm gonna go to F10. There it goes like that. Hold it, yeah, 3, 2, 1. And I'm gonna also go down on my ND filter. Hold it, 3, 2, 1. There you go, I'm at F10. Oh yeah, this is great. F10, 250 on the shutter. ISO 800, yep. 3, 2, 1. All right, that arm is too straight. When I'm posing, you guys, I always tell you guys touch, feel space, right? The space right now is the problem for me. She's touching her leg, she's filling up her leg. The space, arm is too straight, it's too out, right? So maybe we do like a little bit of a bend here, just like that. Yeah, there we go. Touch, feel space, all right? Break it up. There you go, hold. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. And 1. Look off that way. Yep, hold it, yep. And 1, hold it, don't move. And 1. Once you start getting the shots and the lighting is looking consistent inside of your camera lens, inside of your viewfinder, then you want to go ahead and turn on your actual your actual screen to be able to look at it, all right? So make sure that the lighting and everything looks the way that you want. Then you can look at your actual screen so you can get better shots and better angles because you know that your shots can look the same because you already tested it to looking in the viewfinder. But the moment that your lighting changes in your situation, you want to go ahead and change what you're using to look at, all right? So change between looking at your viewfinder to looking at your display screen. Those two different things, all right, are gonna matter. All right. Oh, look back up how you just did. Yeah, just like that, just like that, just like that. Hold it, hold it, hold it. I'm about to go back to the display screen, y'all. Yep, hold 3, 2, 1. Yeah, sure, go 3, 2, 1. Yeah, 3, 2, 1. Both arms up, cross them like at the wrist. Yep. Yeah, 3, 2, 1. Dip more with your body, like dip. Yeah, like that, yeah. Yep, hold it, yep. Yep, hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it. And 1. Don't move, don't move. All right, now turn towards me. Which way is the hair blowing? Like, turn your hair and see which way it's blowing. Okay, turn your face that way. So that way you can blow back that way and put it all back. Yeah, like that, yep. Just like that. Yeah. Ooh, go through your hair again with that right hand. Yep. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, there you go. Hold it, 3, 2, 1. Both of your hands to your like waistband. Like that, yeah. Put your thumbs like inside of the bathing suit. Yeah, like that, yep. Turn your head up, Turn your head to your left a little bit. Yep. Hold it, yep. One more, hold it, don't move. Hold it. Constantly getting that view, you guys. 70 gives that compression. Oh, that shit's hard. There we go. Turn your head. I'm watching out for it. I got y'all. There you go, hold it, 3, 2, 1. Yes. 3, 2, 1. Yes, center focus, you guys, 3, 2, 1. And 1. I'm at, shutter is at 250, F is at 10, ISO is at 800, and I'm also on my ND filter at 2 stops. Go ahead, check inside of here. I'm gonna have you look inside this viewfinder, okay? Hold on, I'm gonna tell you when. So the viewfinder is this little hole right there, okay? Look inside of there.
Ooh, yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying?
T.
Come on.
Already.
Come on.
Easy money.
Come on.
Yes.
Come on. Come on. I'm telling y'all what to do. I'm showing y'all how to do it. I'm telling y'all what to do, and I'm showing y'all how to do it, man. Let's get to it. Hey, you guys. I wanted to stop today's video just to give a shout out to today's sponsor, me. Mr. PNG himself. So as you guys know, I do have presets, Lightroom, Evoto, and I'm also working on some Pixie set presets as well whenever they release that update. But I want to tell you guys really quickly about the new cinema grade preset that I'm going to be dropping very, very soon. And by the time this video is out, this preset pack should be out. So this is one of these cinema grade presets that I'm going to be having out for you guys to be able to use. I'm going to have a setup between 8 to 10 different presets for you guys to be able to attach to your photos to streamline and speed up your workflow to get them looking more cinematic. If you want to check out all the other presets, I have them on my digital storefront down below. I'll leave a link for you guys. Now let's get back into the video. Squat would be cool, but I don't want to get those wet yet. I feel like if you do a squat, you might get a piece. Try to start squatting.
I could put there's so many different
Ways to do it in pants, right?
Right.
You got the one size fit all pants, ain't it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, definitely that. Definitely that. Yeah, and it's like a here, like there. Yeah, Yeah, so we go, hold it. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, so we go, hold it, 3, 2, 1. There you go, yeah, 3, 2, 1. Not changing my settings at all, you guys. Literally letting the sun flow how it flows. My ND filter is still at 2 stops. My shutter is still at 250, yes. And my F is still at 10. Ooh, don't move. I'm gonna come over here. I'm gonna frame her up over here like that. 3, 2, 1. And 1. There you go. All right, can you walk back more? Turn your whole body this way and squat down again. Yeah, go just like that, yeah. Yeah, just like that. Hold. Yeah, there you go, just like that. Oh, look, she's like floating in like the middle of the whole marsh. There you go, hold. Yeah, there you go. Look off that way, I'm not even here right now. Yeah, touch your head up. All right, the sun just went away a little bit, you guys. All I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go down on my ND filter. That's it. And 1. Both of your hands through your hair, like kind of through the bottom, yep, like thumbs. Yep, just like that, yep. And 1. There you go. Back. I'm thinking, trying to think. Maybe you're more, come up, because now I want to kind of frame it to where this sand is in her shot. So instead of having her so close to the water, I'm gonna go ahead and have Fab go by like the trolley thing, and then we're gonna have this sand be kind of in her shot. Or your feet. Let me see. Kind of like in her shot. So maybe I'm gonna line her up with this. So what I see right now, let's see a horizon line, you guys, right? I see a horizon line through here. I see this line of the actual sand cutting across through here. I see the line of the trees cutting across through that way. Then I also see the line of the sky matching with the top of the trees cutting across through that way. I'm gonna match her directly in the center of that, all right? This right here, I always tell you guys, composition and framing, PNG University, right? I tell you guys to line up and use leading lines. A lot of the time you can't see the leading lines for real, but this right here is a natural, session and a way for you to see the leading lines in natural light. All right, and in a natural, in a real world situation. So I'm gonna line you up right here. Come where my hand's at. Boom, just like so. Hold it, I'm gonna back up. I'm really gonna line her head and match with all these lines matching through. I'm gonna take a tester shot so you guys can see that's what I'm talking about. Leading lines, bam, leading lines. I'm at 70 millimeters. I'm now at 24. Look off that way. Put this leg straighter, just like that. And turn that toe that way. Yeah, just like that, and like here. Yeah, like that, yep, hold, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, 3, 2, 1. And 1. Okay. Yep, and 1. Yeah, there you go. And look at me, and put both of your fingers here. Yeah, like that, yep, get face card. Yeah, there you go, tilt your head up a little bit, chin. Yeah, there you go. Don't forget the beauty images, you guys, don't forget the details. You always get your quarter, thirds, and things of that nature. I always tell you guys to get a full body, right? I say a wide, a medium, and a tight. Wide is full body. Medium is from about the knees up to the head with a little bit of the background around her, okay? And then a tight is just from the chest up to the top of the head, okay? And then detail is anything that's using the subject as the full frame. So if I use her as a full frame, let's say for example, I go ahead and say, put your nail right here on your chest, just like so. I'm gonna frame it up, turn your head that way, just like so. The entire frame is my subject. This right here is a detail. When you guys see this picture pop on the screen, this right here is a detail, you guys. Okay, hold it, 3, 2, 1. Bring your hand up close to your face, just like that, and look at me. Yeah, just like that. Hold, 3, 2, 1. There we go, just like that, 3, 2, 1. Sun kissed, 3, 2, 1. Shoot the head up a little bit, 3, 2, 1. Details, all right? So those are detail shots for you guys to be able to see. Also, I'm gonna do something kind of playing around with angles. I say a high, a medium, and a low, all right? So do your hand with your face again. Put your other hand at the top of your head, up top here, just like that. Oh, actually put your nails again. So nails here, and then bring this hand, maybe like here, and touch your head and look up that way. Yeah, just like that. I'm gonna do a low angle shot, okay? Have some fun, get a shot with the details. Framing her with the sun. Hold it, 3, 2, 1. There we go, hold it, 3, 2, 1. And 1. And look right here at me. Put both of your hands like, hey, match them. Symmetrical, yep, 3, 2, 1. Tilt your head up a little bit, yep. Always pay attention to that, you guys, all right? They may tilt their head down a little bit, may tilt their head up, but subtle adjustments will always look amazing. Whew! I think that's that. I love you guys so much, man. I appreciate you guys for checking in. I appreciate you guys for watching this tutorial, watching this video. Let me know down below what else you guys want to see. You guys are always telling me, you know, to kind of keep traveling, things of that nature, keep doing anything for the shot, but I want you guys to keep doing anything for the child, okay? Don't allow anything to stop you, all right? We got halfway walking out here. It was like a 2.3 miles. We walked half the mile and we was like, damn, we want to keep walking. We had to, because I had to see what it looked like. I literally walked out here before going to get my camera just to come scope out the situation. I wanted to not like it. I walked out here, saw it, and I was like, damn, I'd be damned if I don't shoot this. I'd be damned if I don't show this to the community. I'd be damned if I don't let them see the amazing shit that we can make at this location, all right? And I called her up and I was like, man, I found this spot. Let's make it happen. Thankfully, she was not that far. Me and I were still in Texas. And yeah, bro, so I'm gonna let her give a few words, give her Instagram, things of that nature, and her experience today, and things of that nature, and if she would come back, because I always tell you guys to let me know if you guys want me to bring them back, but if she doesn't want to come back, then she just won't come back, type shit, so. Okay. So your name, your Instagram, and then your experience today with taxi in particular.
My name is Allayia Houston, remember that. Instagram is Lay the Truth, Lay the Truth. The experience out here is great. This is crazy enough, I'm from Texas and I never knew we had something like this. It is beautiful out here and I will be back. I love working with Taxi. He is a great photographer. He gives good direction. And he gets all the right angles all the time. This is a great experience.
Yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching, man. I really appreciate you guys. I'll leave links to everything that I used today down below. My gear, my lenses, the ND filter, and everything of that nature. Also, if you're a photographer, no matter where you're located and you want to be a part of PNG University or PNG culture, or even come to a workshop, I will leave links to down below for that as well. All right, I love you guys, love you guys, love you guys. Until next time.
Taxi!
Yeah!
Oh, there's the cookies. Be right back.
I don't need it. I don't need it. I definitely don't need it.